Oh yeah.
It's moving. The eggshell's coming off.
See that? See that?
He's only done it in a few minutes.
Mm-hmm.
He's going strong.
Oh.
Did you see? He punctured that.
Maybe it's time for.
How much progress has it?
Maybe it's, oh,
He's coming
see?
out. He's coming out.
He's coming out. No way.
Maybe
no
it's time
way,
for
no.
him to go out.
It's his birthday.
Oh, yeah, he's moving
It's his birthday. What
so
day is it?
strong.
9:50. When does it come out? I need paper.
You know what? Pikachu, you know? There? It's there.
There. Look, Lila.
No.
What day is it today?
There.
I need to get a pen. I don't care how to use a crayon. Oh my gosh.
Searching. No way.
Oh my god. Oh, oopsie. He's doing it. He's
Scaring.
touching.
He's carrying the bird.
Sorry, baby.
He's always made a way through.
Oh my gosh.
He's punching his. Yeah.
I'm gonna record the time and date today of its birthday. What's gonna be the name?
Oh my god.
Let's see.
This is so cute. I just saw it.
You just saw
can
the
we
head?
name
I saw
him
the-
or her as
I saw it.
Bator?
Beat.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
Because of the incubator.
Thank you.
Wait.
He's been has through incubator.
Wait.
Thank you.
What was
Thank
the
you.
orange?
Incu?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, look.
What?
Can you post this on Facebook?
Oh my gosh.
Send this to
It's
mommy.
almost. Oh,
Send this to mommy.
There.
Oh my gosh.
I almost see her feather.
Send this to mommy.
You have got to send it.
Oh.
Searching.
Ate, Colin. Oh my gosh.
You call Ate Kal. Well,
You have got to see this. It's hatching. It's hatching. It's almost
you gotta
hatching.
watch this.
Oh my god.
Colin.
Oh my gosh, I hit it. Sorry.
Oh, there you go. He's coming out. Oh! Colin,
Look.
you have to watch this.
Look at this.
Oh, there you go. He's out.
He's out all right. Woo! Congratulations.
Welcome. Oh.
Welcome to the
there you
world.
go. Look at her beak. Oh yeah.
At 9:53
Look
we
at
hatched.
her beak. Look at her beak.
Lila,
November.
Colin,
No, it's
you
Jan.
have to watch this. Come on. This is-
November 23rd.
Oh, there you go.
It's out. No.
He's out. Oh, he's out.
Oh my gosh. He's out. Welcome to the world after 20 days.
Thank you.
Oh, there you go.
Aww.
Oh.
Aww.
It's helpless.
No, stay. Let him go. Calm down.
You can squish him easily.
Okay, calm down when I said that.
Calm down. Oh.
It calms down when you do that. Look at his eyes.
Oh, it's foggy, Kuya. It becomes foggy because of your... It becomes foggy.
He calms down. He calms down when you do that. No, don't touch him yet. He's too fragile.
Yeah, just wait, like,
Let him. I have to wait for a day.
leave him in the incubator to get warm.
Aww.
We're so lucky we got the video.
How are you?
Leave him in the incubator for. Leave him in
Send that to mommy.
Yeah. Anyways.
November 23rd.
Okay, let's try.
Oh, he's chilling.
Huh?
He's chilling.
What do you mean chilling?
Look.
What? How does it do that?
No, it's still warm in there.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's still really warm.
Leave the baby for like 2 or 3 days.
How are we gonna feed it?
We have to buy a syringe and There's a
It's like no, it's like it's not oxygen.
there's a food
Like
available
food,
in.
a food like thing that you can give to the baby.
There you go. There you go.
Calm down.
Good shower. Good baby.
Calm down. Calm down.
That's what newborn babies looks like on their first day when they're
Oh,
born.
because it's stuck on there.
Well,
The hole there, pa.
it's okay.
You have to. You can't stand normally.
That's
Too
the-
fragile.
It has to stay
Will be-
warm.
Soon will be strong.
You cannot remove this now because it has to stay warm. You have to keep this on or else it'll cool down too easily
Yeah.
or else it'll die. Keep this on.
I can't. I can't. I can't. Whatever you do.